The goal for you guys to win a prize, to win the backpack, is 9 seconds. 9 seconds, that's it. To get the tickets to Austin, the actual race, you gotta beat the best time we have so far. It is 4:09.
4:09?
4:09. So y'all can try it. Y'all gonna have 3 opportunities each to do so.
3?
3 for the prize. After that, you want to try to beat the 4:09. I'm guessing. I mean, we really don't have a line, so.
Hell yeah.
So it's up to y'all.
Yeah. Let's
go.
Try it.
Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
You got it? You got it?
Oh!
Damn! Yeah. Yeah.
Working on my day off. Oh, we gotta do tires like, oh, just for a living. I'm like, what are you doing right now?
Yeah, and they're like, well, I do it for a living. I don't want to do it now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Right.
How's it going, guys? So we are done with the Red Bull deal. It got a little cool out, and they had some baby appointments to go to, which pre-baby, congratulate. They got a newborn coming on the way, so I'm super excited for them. But they also picked up a new family car, which I had hinted at you before, and it's what we are in now. So right quick, drop a comment down below to think if you can guess what it is by telling about the interior. It's got some fancy headrests, so that might be able to tell you or something. But yeah, so Dylan has been a good friend with me for a long time, and we've grown up together and everything.
For a long time.
Yeah, and so I'm super excited for him that he has gotten this vehicle, that he's, you know, worked his way up to it and whatnot. So we're gonna do a little video photo shoot. It is majoritively stock for what it is. So maybe later on, after he's able to do rims and stuff like that, upgrades, we can kind of fill you guys in, and then once it's in its like full form, do another shoot or something like that. Oh, yeah. And, you know, kind of show you guys the progress and stuff. But there wasn't a whole lot going on this weekend. I'm still getting parts and whatnot for the International, so I don't want to quite start that yet. And that Red Bull deal was this weekend, so I definitely wanted to hit that for today and to get you guys some content as well. I ended up pulling a 6.2 something seconds on that deal, and we had to beat 4.09 to win the challenge. So unfortunately I didn't win the challenge, but we got a backpack, and I don't know what is the best one.
I think 728.
728.
These were the backpacks.
Yeah,
they fold up into themselves. Yeah,
they're super cool. So they're just a super lightweight backpack, one pocket and then this pocket, and so you can actually unfold it, and the backpack folds up into itself. Super cool. I was kind of confused on what the pocket was saying, but yo, shout out to, you know, Red Bull for bringing that event here and giving anybody and everybody a try, you know, especially us. Adrian, the guy who is kind of running the deal, shout out to you. You're badass, man.
Yeah.
I appreciate.
Real cool
Yeah. Y'all need to give that dude a raise. But yeah, so we're gonna kind of give a little breakdown of the car, do the B-roll for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy. Let me know if you guys don't like it, or know of any mods that maybe he could do, or something that you know, as a new owner to this vehicle that he needs to maybe watch out for, or anything like that. Go ahead, drop them down below. He watches videos too, so we'll be able to see them as well. So what vehicle do we have?
It is a 2009 Mercedes C300 Sports Edition. It's got a 3.0. I don't know much about it, but I do know it's a good family car. It's very safe in crash ratings. It's still a fun car. It's a very sleek. It's a luxury car. I guess that's the easiest way I can put it. Other than that, I don't know much about it. So if you guys have any suggestions on what I should do, what kind of mods I could throw at it that are cheap and inexpensive, you guys just let me know. Like he said, just comment down below, and I'll definitely look at them and let you guys know.
Oh yeah, so this Benz is really nice for what it is. Does have its little bit of flaws. Again, he just purchased it, so you purchase a used vehicle, you got to work her back up to a clean standard for the most part, because to be honest, a lot of people out there don't take care of their vehicles as they should. It's unfortunate seeing, like,
it's
from us
sad.
car lovers. It really is, because this car's got a lot of potential. It does. Not 100% sure what the power plant is. It sounds like a 350Z, like a VG something. Wouldn't be like a VG30, but I don't know, it's weird. Got a weird tone, so I definitely think exhaust is going to be on your list as far as that.
The soonest updates, the soonest upgrades that I'm going to do are 2-inch stainless exhaust all the way back from an X-pipe from the front of the Cats. I'm also going to do a G63 4-tip on the back. It just throws the difference off, and then a rear diffuser. I'm hopefully going to go carbon, but we'll see.
So, like I said, stuff to come, and it will look good. Especially did a wide body with a wing or something.
Yeah,
oof.
It'd be nice.
But priorities first, always first for anybody out there. Same with me in the international. But things will get there. So just got to take time. Let's get into some B-roll of this. I mean, this car is pretty sweet. So I won't keep you guys hanging any longer. I appreciate you tuning in. Please enjoy. And then we become rappers and make a freestyle.
Yeah, like that one.
Dude, it was pretty good.
Where they're all close up to the camera and everything.
Super close.